How to BUI $WIFOUT, DogWifouthat Token crypto coin. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. I am not a professional financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any project. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and it's essential to understand those risks before proceeding. Consult a financial expert if necessary. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to buy the WIFOUT token. If you're interested in purchasing this token, I'll walk you through the simple steps. Just remember, this is strictly for educational purposes, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Stay updated on the token's development. Before buying any token, make sure you're following the official channels for updates. For the WIFOUT token, follow their Telegram or Twitter accounts for the latest news and updates. Staying informed will help you make more educated decisions about your investment. Step 2. Check the token's performance. The WIFOUT token was created just 23 hours ago and is currently trending as the #1 token in the Solana section on crypto screeners. It's important to check its performance and liquidity on platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko before making any decisions. This gives you insight into its market position. Step 3. Add the token to your wallet. To buy the WIFOUT token, you will first need to add it to your wallet. Here's how. Copy the token address. Find the official WIFOUT token address from a trusted source. Open your wallet. Use a compatible wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another Solana-compatible wallet. Add the token. Go to the wallet interface and paste the token address to add WIFOUT token to your wallet. Step 4. Swap cryptocurrency for the WIFOUT token. Once the token is added to your wallet, you can buy it by swapping another cryptocurrency for it. Here's how to proceed. Select the token to swap from. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap, such as USDT, SOL, or another supported token. Enter the amount. Type in how much you want to buy. Make sure your wallet has enough balance for the transaction. Review the amount. You will see how much WIFOUT token you will receive. Double-check the details before proceeding. Click on Swap. After confirming everything, click on the Swap button to execute the transaction. Step 5. Adjust slippage settings, if needed. If you face any issues during the swap, it may be due to slippage. Here's how to resolve that. Adjust slippage. Go back to the swap page and increase or adjust the slippage tolerance. This often resolves issues where transactions fail. Confirm the transaction. After adjusting the slippage, confirm the transaction, and it should go through successfully. Conclusion. That's how you can buy the WIFOUT token. Make sure you follow the official project channels for updates and stay informed. Always conduct your own research and proceed with caution, as cryptocurrencies can be volatile. Final reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose.